So over here, you can see that I have four clips together right here. And when one clip changes from one clip to the other, it quickly changes out right away. But if you want to make the change a bit more interesting, let's say the change is very big and it's not a part of the same scene, then what you can do is you can go around and add in transitions to them as well. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see transitions is an option. Once you click on it, you can see that there are different transitions that you can bring in. For example, there's like this then and now overlay right here. So I can go around, keep it right in between, and then I can go around, choose the duration of the transition as well, just like this. Once that is done, and if I were to press play right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So that is how the transition is actually applied. So there's a lot of type of transition, as you can see right here. There's like light effects right here, so you can go around, bring that in, adjust out the timing right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and press the play button, now you can see that there's the lighting effect right there that brings the change right here. Similarly, there's a lot of things right here. There's like overlay, there's like camera, and there's a lot of effects that you can work with, as you can see right here. So there's blur, there's basics right here, as you can see, that you can work with. So if I were to go to blur right here, just like this, I can go around and bring in particles and keep it right here, just like this. And I can even go around and pull out these ends right here. And then that is what you have. So you can go around, press the play button, and you can see that this is the transition that is applied right here on the video. So that is how you can apply out transitions inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.